Hello, people. This is the first day of the next month of 2024, that is 1st February, and I got up from sleep at 5 at around 5:30, 5:35. When I sat down to study at 7, uh, like 7:15 something, I faced a rejection today. Like, I've been applying to so many companies. I've been like, if you guys have been following me for me and my videos which I post, you must be knowing that I'm like currently an undergraduate, and um just currently applying for internships. I just hope I just get any one internship. I mean, on LinkedIn, WhatsApp channels, uh, then on Twitter if I see any post, and then all like the links of the websites which come on those WhatsApp channels. I'm just applying to like any internship which suits my role, basically for the SD as SD intern and as a web dev intern. So I have been applying to so many like companies, uh, like since, like, I don't know, I don't exactly remember since when, but I've been applying to many of them. And recently I had applied to a company called I don't think, like, wait a second. I hope you guys are able to see this screen. I hope that this screen is getting shared. I mean, let's see. So this is the mail which I received. I mean, just from ripplematch. This is a ripplematch email that I have just received, and it's at around 7:17, and it's now at around 7:39. This is the mail. Unfortunately, Reddit has decided not to move forward with your application for SD intern 2024. Uh, um, I mean, obviously, this is some encouragement which they offer you, just because uh, you have like not being select you have not been selected, but it's fine. Like, I have applied to even a company called Data Bento, then a company which is called What Not. I'll just show you if you are like able to see this or not. See, apply what not. If I don't know if you are able to see this folder, see this. Apply what not. Then there's this cover letter I have for various this one. See what not cover letter I had made, and this is the cover letter which I had made for Data Bento. So this is the thing, and this is the Genoshi AI which I had applied for. Basically, they were like uh, uh, they were like, you make a UI UX design, fine, and they had some conditions mentioned in there, and then they were like, you just need to upload each and every a single like code snippet onto GitHub so that we can just verify your work. But and they were like, okay, fine, just submit. They had given one deadline. I don't exactly remember the deadline, but I think it was some 24th of December or something. That was the deadline, and they were like, we'll be putting out I don't really exactly remember the dates, when was the last time, but they were like, okay, you just just apply, and for this UI UX design, and we'll be putting out the results around mid-ish, end some mid end some January. So I don't know if they haven't yet replied. I'm just always on my mail, checking random mails here and there. uh, like, I'm having some 3 to 4 accounts over here. I mean, just see. um, I don't know if you guys are like able to see it or not. This one mail, two mail, and then I have one school, I mean, college email. I'm applying from there, but you see no results. Like, I did not even like, they have not yet sent any mail of being my application being selected or being rejected. At least like the thing is that if they select, obviously they are going to mail me that I have been selected. But the thing is that if at all they if at all they reject me, then they should be like, okay fine, we'll not be moving forward with your application, and then some consolation or something. Obviously that is something, this consolation is something that they need to put someone below the rejection lines. Obviously that is some like um, consolation part. But at least I expect a reply from the other side that okay, we have rejected you, and this time we won't be moving forward with your application. But the thing is that these guys, they do not even mail. So like it's not the thing with just Genoshi or maybe Databent or whatnot. That it's not the thing with just these companies. uh, Fine, even if I have gotten rejected, just mail the thing that fine, we are just rejecting you on the basis of this and this, so that when they reject and they mail like for like the reason for the rejection, you kind of get a chance to improve on the skills. Maybe I don't know, maybe my resume must not be perfect. uh, like I have tried 110% from my side to give each and everything on my resume, all the skills that I have, all the projects that I have made, and my coding profiles, all these things I have uploaded on this given on this resume, my CV. But like at least they should have a reply and then a valid reason that okay, I'm lacking the skill, so I just just can work upon it. But I don't seem to get any. I mean, uh, if this is the thing that you're kind of constantly applying, and then a link is being shared to you so that you can present your skills, or present whatever they want, like basically the conditions which they're having. If I am given such a mail that okay fine, you have been rejected on the basis of so and so, okay fine, let's take the condition that they are not even giving a reason, they are just rejecting, like just in case of happened in case of ripple match. Even that's even like even that is fine. uh, I need to accept a rejection, but the thing that these people, they do not reply at all, and the person who has applied for it needs to wait. Like I don't know what's the limit to wait. Just keep on waiting, waiting and waiting and waiting, and just keep on applying. uh, like at least the rejection should be uh, you know it should be direct mailed that okay fine, you have been rejected, like in case of ripple match it has happened. At least it gives some like confirmation. It kind of like at least gives a confirmation, yeah, that you have been rejected from here. Okay fine, I'll just try to some other company with my updated skills and updated CV resume. But yeah, what like if you guys are watching my video, what do you guys think about this? I mean, uh, someone someone watching this, maybe like if you just feel free to comment down in my YouTube video if you're just like watching it. Obviously I do not expect my video to reach to more people, because we don't have any subscribers or something. But I was like okay fine, I've been coding for around 2 years, 2.5 years, 2 years, 2.5 years, something. So I should just be like uploading everything on social media. I know I'm already late. I should have started it some 2 years ago. But okay, fine. Better late than never. So yeah, that's the thing. So what do you guys like? Have you even like are you guys even facing such a thing that you are applying to companies, mailing the HRs, coldly mailing people, but you're not receiving any reply? Recently this case happened with me that I just reached out to there someone on LinkedIn. She was there on LinkedIn, she had a post on LinkedIn that she is currently hiring. But as I texted her DM, she was like, okay, we are not currently hiring for freshers. I was like, and then okay fine. So uh, I'm not leaving any stone unturned, but let's see what happens. uh, I'm fully confident on my skills basically, and the organization for which I am working, that organization, the website is completed, and it's about 97% completed. Just the thing that I need to have of some contact form validation and verification, something like, when people are entering from the front end part and onto that input section, the people they tend to input anything or the other. So I just need to have a validation that you can just put this and this. So mm, yeah, that's the thing. And more of it, guys, in the next video. I'll just be posting videos and stuff. So I like, it's not a compulsion that I'd be posting each and every single day. It's just a rejection that I faced when I was just sitting down for my studies. uh, but it okay, yeah, like it's fine. I'll just work harder. By the way, if you guys have not seen my this code base, I mean just a part of the code base. Obviously, I won't be showing you the like this entire website which I have made, end to end website, like total front end and then this small back end part. Let's see what happens. I've been applying to companies, and this is one of the rejections. Okay, fine. I'll just I'll just uh, I'll just work harder on lead code. Let's say I am able to solve for and one achievement I have that I have made is I'm able to solve, actually, like even if not solve pass all the test cases is what I mean. Even if I'm not able to pass all the test cases, but the thing that actually I'm able to think, even previously this did not happen, that like I'm able to uh, just like even think about how that thing is going to like happen. But in case of dynamic programming, in case of recursion, like even for the medium level questions, I'm able to like understand like code it to almost 60 to 70%. I mean, that's a huge progress. Like some some 1 or 2 months ago, I was not able to like look at those medium level questions, but some like recently I have been able to code down the medium level questions by myself, and I think it's a like it's a big achievement for me. At least I'm able to, like, even if not pass all the test cases, of course, like you must have seen this question called n queen's problem. The thing that I was able to code down the solution, although it gave a time limit exceeding error. If I would have run that on VS Code, I got nearly correct answer. I got nearly correct answer because of all the concepts and all the coding, like like the thing which I had coded. Fine, I copy pasted my code on ChatGPT and asked it if it was right or not. The thing that actually told me that the code is almost correct. The thing that I got stopped over there, and I was like, okay, fine. I'm like able to grasp the concepts, and I'm able to actually code down the medium level questions. Like, let's see. Okay, fine. In lead code I have progressed this much, right? uh, let's see what happens in the near future. I'll work harder on my lead code solving problems, like skills of solving lead code problems, and then usually keep on applying to companies. Recently I have been involved into web dev, and then I'll just moving forward to app dev, and then machine learning course is also there with me. But that machine learning is like it's far. So I'll just be concerned about this web dev thing, because and web dev thing, and this lead code thing. So yeah, that's it. Meet you guys in the next video. So I don't know if like if you guys feel just connected to any of these things, just let me know below down in the comment section. Yeah, that's it for this today, guys. Okay, fine. And this is this is something that, okay, fine. I just work harder. I just need to work harder. Okay, fine, guys. If you are watching my video till here, and I guess no one's watching because it's just zero subscribers at this very time. I don't know if in the near future you guys show some love. Uh, uh, so yeah, that's it. Let's meet in the new video, guys, and I'll just be making a new video if something happens. Fine. Thanks, guys.